MadDrift RC car. It's an A-scale drift car, so it comes with drift wheels, and it's got your standard 17mm backed hub on your wheels, so you have a great selection of wheel choices to choose from. You can make it a drift car, on-road car, or even a rally car. It does come ready to run out the box. Comes with your 2.4 GHz transmitter and receiver. You have the ESC right in the center. It's a brushless system. You have a brushless motor mounted here. You have your receiver and steering servo mounted on the other side, and 2 lithium polymer batteries mounted on each side of the ESC. As you can see, the center of gravity of this car is really low, which gives you that nice handling and especially good for drifting. 80 amp ESC, 20C, 7.4 volt, 3300 milliamp hour batteries wired in series to give you that awesome power and delivery from that ESC. Aluminum shock towers front and rear, 3mm thick aluminum chassis. You got your cooling fins on your motor, front and rear and centered oil-filled geared differentials. So it is adjustable. You can put thicker or thinner fluids in there to change the handling characteristics of the car. Now in the racing edition, you'll notice right away you get these huge shocks. These are big bore shocks. I believe they're 16mm. They're aluminum bodied, they're threaded, so you can adjust them on the fly, and they're also easy to bleed because it's got this bleed hole up on the top cap. Alright guys, so that was the first look at the MadDrift RC car. Whether it's racing edition or limited edition, you can't really go wrong. Great cars. Thanks for watching, guys.